In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit master page in Affinity. Master pages are the backbone of a consistent layout. They control repeating elements like headers, footers, page numbers, logos, and guides. So when you change the master once, every page that uses it updates automatically. This saves time and keeps your document looking uniform from start to finish. Start by opening the Affinity app on your computer. Give it a moment to load your workspace, then make sure the document you want to work on is open and visible. If your interface looks a little different, that's okay. Panels and labels can vary slightly by version, but the process is the same. Next, look to the top left of the interface and click on Layout Studio. This opens the layout-focused panels you need to manage pages and masters. If you don't see it at first glance, hover your cursor near the left side of the toolbar. Once the panel is active, you'll be able to view page thumbnails and access master-related options. Within that panel, switch to the master page area. Here you'll see any existing master pages for your document. Pick the master you intend to modify so that you're working in the right place. This step is important because any change you make on a master will cascade to all pages that use it. Click on the page to load the master onto the canvas. You should now be editing the master directly, not a regular document page. Take a moment to confirm you're on the master by checking the label or thumbnail highlight. This helps avoid accidental edits on the wrong page. Now edit the master page to fit your design needs. Add or adjust elements like headers and footers, company marks, background shapes, or text frames for page numbers. Align objects using snapping and guides to keep spacing consistent, and set paragraph and character styles so typography remains uniform throughout the document. If you rely on a grid or baseline, place those guides here so every page follows the same rhythm. Keep critical elements within safe margins for print, and use subtle opacity or tints for backgrounds to avoid overpowering your content. If something feels off, use undo to step back, and remember that simpler, reusable elements make future updates easier. When you're finished, return to your document pages to see the updates applied everywhere that master is used. That's the power of editing once and reusing it many times. Save your work, and you're done.